Hey Melody, catch!
Got it!
Yay! And then I said, Bambi!
Oh, hi Commodore.
Hi Tibby.
Oh wait, that's my ice cream. Go and get your own. There's a new ice cream shop in town. It's that way if you're thinking of going.
Alright, see ya. See ya. Bye. Bye Mom, thanks for the money. Do I want vanilla, chocolate or strawberry? Ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream! Wait, this can't possibly be the ice cream line. It is! No! Finally, can I get some ice cream?
Sorry, we ran out of milk just then. No milk, no ice cream.
I'll get some milk. That's on my home. Bye, Mom. Thanks for the milk.